We're here in Mexico City where I am here to do another food review. Quick update on the sunburn. Unfortunately, and I know you're all going to be heartbroken to hear this, I got sunburnt a little bit a couple of days ago. I do have an excuse. I've got a very, very good excuse actually. There was an earthquake in this country. So I think everybody's allowed to let their factor 50 guard down just a little bit when there is an actual natural disaster in this country. I will say I was 1,000 kilometers away from the earthquake and I didn't feel the ground tremble at all, but still I was in the same country as a natural disaster and I deserve a medal for my true bravery. Doing another food review. Today we are doing Dorilocos, which according to my exemplary Spanish means crazy Doritos. So this is a very complicated recipe and the technical way to describe it is that you open up a bag of Doritos and a load of shit into it. So I just bought it in this park and I was asked a load of questions as to what I want or what I didn't want in the bag. I don't understand any Spanish, so I said yes to some questions and I said no to others. A few alarm bells ringing because there's clearly some washed vegetables in here. That's rule 101. You don't get the vegetables that are washed in case the water isn't clean, but I've already managed to get sick once from vegetables in this country and I'm pretty sure getting sick is like chicken pox. It can't happen to you twice. I went for pizzeria flavor because I figured that it would absolutely blow the head off me if I went for, I don't know, chili heat wave. Did I even have chili heat wave in this country? I'm not entirely sure. And she proceeded to fire in a load of what looks like apples into it and onions and then a load of sauces on top of it as well. We've also got a load of nuts on the inside of it. And to be honest, it looks like a Mexican spice bag. We've got onion here, we've got apple here, we've got a Dorito, and I believe we've got some carrot in here as well. These are onions? Are these onions? What are these? Any guesses? That is an onion. That is a bit of an onion. I'm 70% sure that that's an onion. I'm no longer sure if that's an onion. What do you think this is? Because that's not an onion. That's like a chewy consistency to it, which is not becoming of a raw onion in my lifelong experience of raw onions. I'm not feeling very loco after this Dorilocos. We do, however, have like some of these nuts in here, and they're clearly the best part. They were always going to be the best part. So yeah, raw veg and Doritos and a collection of different sauces. Who would have thought that it would be good? I didn't, and I guess it isn't good. I'm mystified by what that chewy vegetable-esque substance is. It's kind of like I'm chewing down on an onion that identifies as a prawn. I guess the bar was set so low last week by the pinguinos and the gansitos that it can't really go any lower than that. So this is just edging into the 50s. Let's give this a 58% score. Doritos Pizzeria, Dorilocos, Dorito Locos, I've already forgotten the name. Crazy Doritos. They are grand.